What's up, guys? I'm here to tell you a little bit about how to be a successful streamer on Twitch. So let's get to it. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is spend all your money, max your credit cards, and getting your gaming set up perfect. The most important things are gonna be listed right here. Great, so now that we're done with part number 1, we can move on to part number 2. Streaming your entire free time away. So once you're done with your normal day job, because I'm assuming that you have a day job, and if you don't, even more time to Twitch stream. So from when you wake up to you go to sleep, or when you get off work to you go to sleep, that is your time to be live. And make sure you're there because you never know who might swing by. You're doing fantastic. Now that you're done with step number 2, let's move on to step number 3. Post on social media. Don't forget, if people don't know you're live, they won't come see you. So make sure you're posting so that they know you're out there streaming into the abyss. And I guarantee when they see that post, they won't skip over it. They'll definitely click on it and come see you in your smiling face. Phenomenal. You're doing great. Now that we're done with step number 3, let's move on to step number 4. Streaming the most popular games. Knowing everyone else out there, there's millions of people watching Twitch, so why would you not want to be part of the other million people streaming the most popular games? So let's try to take a little share of that market and play the most popular game. What are the chances of someone else finding you playing a smaller game? It's less, right? Wow, I can't believe you made it this far. You're already done with step number 4 and you're on to the 5th and final step. Never give up. Being a Twitch streamer takes a lot of time and effort, so make sure that you never lose heart and you continue to keep striving at it forever, because you never know when you might get your break. Wonderful. So now you completed this 5-step training to becoming a successful Twitch streamer. It's your turn to go out there and make your dreams come true. I believe in you, and so should you.